Choosing an eco-friendly wood panel is essential for your family's safety. But with so many products labeled green today, which one is the right choice? At Oppein, we believe in proof over promise. Oppein Laboratory, accredited in 2018 by the China National Accreditation Service for Conformity Assessment, ensures a solid quality inspection confidence. We've gathered a variety of panels here. Now, let's put them to the test and see what the data tells us about their quality. First, the technician assesses environmental performance through formaldehyde emission testing. Sample panels undergo preconditioning in a formaldehyde emission preconditioning chamber, which simulates real-world conditions to prepare the tested panels for standardized testing. Then, the technician tapes the edges to ensure accurate test results for formaldehyde emissions. After, these panels would be put into a 1 cubic meter chamber. The chamber air would be extracted via a gas sampling system, and the absorbed solution is analyzed using UV-vis spectrophotometer for precise formaldehyde quantification. Now, let's check the test results. The HMR panel from the other brand shows formaldehyde emission is less than or equal to 0.372 milligrams per cubic meter, while the Oppein particle board panel records emission is less than or equal to 0.01 milligrams per cubic meter. Oppein plywood panel is less than or equal to 0.015 milligrams per cubic meter, and Oppein MDF panel's emission is less than or equal to 0.007 milligrams per cubic meter. All Oppein panels are exceeding the requirements for China's strictest ENF grade standard and European E1 standard. We always deliver safety that far surpasses standard benchmarks to every home. Beyond eco-performance, Oppein also maintains stringent standards for moisture resistance. We evaluate this through a water absorption and thickness swelling test, which measures dimensional stability by calculating the percentage increase in thickness after water immersion. First, the technician prepares 850 by 50 millimeter samples and record their initial thickness. These are then fully immersed in a temperature-controlled water bath, maintained at a constant 20 degrees Celsius for 24 hours. After immersion, samples are surface dried and remeasured to calculate the 24-hour thickness swelling rate. Time to check the results. The HMR panel showed a rate of 6.6%. In comparison, Oppein particle board panel exhibits a thickness swelling rate of 5.2% after 24 hours, plywood panel for 4%, and MDF panel for 3%. This superior performance means Oppein panels maintain exceptional stability in humid conditions, effectively resisting swelling and deformation. This core moisture protection ensures the lasting beauty and integrity of your cabinetry. At Oppein, we never stop advancing the development of healthy homes, committed to creating the superior custom products that are both eco-friendly and durably moisture-resistant. Since 1994, Oppein has provided stylish, smart, and quality custom home solutions, serving millions of families worldwide. We hold firm to our guiding belief that where there is home and love, there is Oppein.